guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and this time I will be sharing all my favorites with you guys. So these are the products which I have been using since past a month or two and have been absolutely loving them. So if you want to know what are my favorite products, then please keep on watching. Good. So this is the first product I want to share with you guys. This is the M Caffeine Raw Body Coffee Body Scrub, and this product is beautiful. This is a magic in a jar. First of all, this helps in getting rid of the tan. Second of all, this helps in getting rid of the dead skin. And moreover, the best part of this is it is very convenient to use. You just need to mix a few drops of water and scrub off anything you want to scrub except your face. Now, second product is this. This is Mama Earth Skin Repair Body Lotion, and this stuff is absolutely beautiful. I think that is the word for the video, absolutely beautiful, because every product is like absolutely beautiful. Anyways, I have very dry skin, so I need something which is thick but yet which absorb very quickly. So this stuff does that. Means I think I have finished up the bottle in 2 months, and you need a very little amount because this is very thick. Beautiful. If you have very dry skin and you're looking for something which is good, which will not make you sweat but yet hydrate your skin for I think a very long period of time, this actually keeps my body moisturized for at least a day, and I'm not exaggerating that. It is true. This stuff is that good. This is the Plum After Sun Recovery Gel. I don't know whether this makes you recover after the gel or not, but what the stuff which I love about this product is that it's very cooling, very calming. Like after all the stuff you have done in the sun, you come back, you need something very cool and gel-like, but yet which can moisturize your skin. This stuff is absolutely fantabulous for that. Absolutely beautiful for that. So if you're looking for something good, and this is even good for applying after you have waxed or shaved your skin. So yeah, this stuff is good for that. And very sorry, this is in a very bad condition because I love this stuff so much. I am going to run out of this product very soon. I have only this much left. This is Oriental Botanics Red Onion Hair Growth Oil, and amazing stuff. Just amazing stuff. When I first started using it, I couldn't see any good result in like first week or second week, but from the third week I could literally see my hair growing. I have to chop off my hair because it grew so long but this stuff works, and moreover it helped me with my hair fall. It helped me with my volume. I don't know how, but it did help. So yeah, highly recommend this stuff. This is Mama Earth Tea Tree Hair Masks. This stuff is absolutely beautiful because in just one application I could see a significant difference in my dandruff. So this stuff is good for that. If you have dandruff problem but yet you want something which will not dry out your scalp and your hair, this is the product to go for. This is again from Oriental Botanics. It's Red Onion Hair Shampoo, and this is beautiful. After so long I have found a shampoo which actually leaves my skin feel very soft and silky. This is beautiful stuff. You must try this. This is also quite expensive. I like 700 rupees for 300 ml, but you can always get it on a discount, and I would recommend you getting it on a discount. So you can try this out. And if you're looking for hair growth, hair fall control, smoothing, anti-frizz, everything of that sort, then go for the shampoo. Fifth product or fourth product, I don't know which number of product. This is Scent Botanica Moroccan Argan Conditioner. Now if you're looking for a product which is like sulfate and paraben free and silicone free with bioactive things and all those good things, all the good ingredients, then this is the product you should go for. This nourishes your hair, it conditions your hair, it smoothens out your hair, it helps to control the frizz which I face a lot. All in all, a very good conditioner. This is the PAC Mineralized Lightening Powder, and stuff is gem, compact. It sets your makeup, but it gives you a very blurry and luminous finish, if that makes sense. I don't know how did they do that, because it's a bake formula, I guess, for that purpose. But this is a beautiful product. This is expensive, I think, for 1200 rupees, but you need, if you have a budget and if you want to try something which sets your makeup but doesn't make you look cakey, then this is the product you should go for. This is the YBB X Shreya Jain Goddess Highlighter, and this is worth every penny. I mean, how did she do this? How? It does not have like glittery chunks. I don't know how did she do that, but it looks wet on the skin, like wet. Oh god, that shine, and it does not have any chunky particles, and that's like such a good thing for a highlighter. You can mix it with your foundation, you can apply it before the foundation, you can apply top of your foundation, you can apply it after you have powdered then down your skin, which is like a very big deal for me for a cream product to do, because cream product over powder is a disaster, recipe for disaster. So yeah, this beautiful product, you can apply it even on the daytime when the sun is like just over your head, but still you want to shine, but you know all the glitter particles will show up. This is the product for that time, and this will last you a very long time, because you need itusa for applying all over your face. Like, amazing product. So that was, I think, the makeup product. So let's go on to the exciting stuff, which is the skincare stuff. This is the product I have been using lately, and you can see I have used quite a lot, and you need a very less amount. So I believe in double cleansing. I think we should all go for double cleansing, be it removing your sunscreen or just a mascara or anything. Double cleansing is the way to go. You need thoda sa amount, rub it between your finger, apply it all over your face like for 60 seconds to 1 minute, and then when you are done rubbing, you will see that all the makeup breaking up, and then just splash your face with water and you will see it emulsifying, that turning into a milky stuff. Just wash off that milky stuff or whatever stuff you want to call it, and you will be left behind with clean skin, like no makeup. This is a wonderful product. I highly recommend this. If you're looking for a cleansing balm or any makeup remover, go for this. And this is very cost effective. This is for 500 or 400, 600 rupees, and this will last you a very long time, like a very long time. And this is the face wash I have been loving, like loving. This is the Requil Fruit AHA face wash, and this stuff is does amazing things to your skin. It smoothens out your skin, it brightens your skin. Like, obviously you wouldn't see the result in just one wash or two wash, but you will definitely see a result if you use it for at least 10 days. You're gonna see that your skin is smoother, the bumpiness in your skin is going, the acne scar, if you have any, it's going, and moreover any skin type can use this, because this is sulfate free, and it's just so free formula. So yeah, I had this bumpy thing on my chin, like yahan par, and within a week of using this, I can clearly see that bumpiness is going away. And my sister had this raised stuff, I don't know आप लोग उसको क्या बोलते हो, वो दाना she had all over her nose, and she used this for a week and she can instantly see a result. That was very impressive. We both used this and we are still not out of this. You can see you need a very little amount, and one little amount goes a long way. So yeah, beautiful stuff. This is Plum SPF 35. This is from the green tea range, and this is daylight sunscreen, and this stuff is amazing. I was using the Lotus one previously, and it did a very weird thing. When you try to rub that stuff inside your skin, like on your skin, it made all that ball stuff. I don't know whether you people have experienced that or not, but I did, and that was horrible. And makeup sat so badly over that over that stuff that I stopped using it. If you have oily skin or you have dry skin or you have combination skin, this stuff is beautiful. Go for this. Highly recommend. Innisfree Tone Up No Sebum Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++++. This is the stuff I use when I'm actually going out in the world to face the sun, and the sun is just over my head with shining with all its glory, and I want to hide behind a shield. This is quite dramatic. Sorry. So I used this stuff that time, and this has a beautiful texture. Like, that is more of a jelly texture. I'll show you. This is the green tea wala, the plum wala. You can see it's very clear. It's a gel like texture. And this is the Innisfree one. Yeah, both are very different formulas, I want to say. So if you belong to any skin tone spectrum, I would say that go for this one, because I think because it's a tone up cream, it has a kind of a pinkish tinge to it, so I don't think it would suit like a medium or darker skin tone. So I wouldn't say go for this, rather than go for other ranges of Innisfree. ये मेकअप के नीचे बिना मेकअप के बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I need to only apply the eyebrow, the mascara and the lipstick, and that's I'm done for the day. And इसके ऊपर this acts as a beautiful primer. Yeah, ये primer के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा काम करता है and आपको sun protection भी देता है. Again, buy this because this is absolutely amazing. This is affordable. You need a very little amount. My whole family used this, and still I'm left with so much of product. Beautiful, and it even helps in brightening and getting rid of the scars. So yeah, my face feels very soft after applying this, and very fresh, if that makes any sense. So yeah, this is the toner I'm using currently. This is the Gulab and Glycolic toner, and this was recommended by Miss Jovita George. Yes, this is such a good toner. If you have never used a chemical exfoliating toner, then this is the one to go for. But mind you, if you are going for this kind of product like with an acid in it, you slowly introduce this thing slowly in your skincare, and you will never regret the decision, because this resurfaces your skin, may smoothen out your skin, helps in getting rid of the acne, helps in preventing the acne, and all the great stuff. And this is from an Indian company, Dr. Seth. बहुत great company है. I'm using some of their night skincare product, and I'm loving that. This has become my holy grail. If you want to invest in a good toner, you need this. This has very less chemicals, gulab, glycolic acid, niacinamide, and all the great stuff and all the good things. So yeah, good stuff. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Micro Essence, because Komal from Delhi fashion blogger recommended this, and I trust her review, so I thought of giving this a try. And छोटा पैक ही मंगवाया, but this is bomb in a bottle. I use this only in the evening, like in my morning skincare routine, and I don't know how, but this stuff prevents my acne. I don't know how, but this stuff actually helps in preventing my acne, because I think it has salicylic acid and it has Centella asiatica extract. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Like, after 10 uses, and I used it only once a day, I actually started seeing a result. My skin was looking healthier, it was looking glowier, and the acne which has formed, those were vanishing in a good rate. And the acne which was formed, it did not leave like बहुत ज़्यादा scar, did not leave. And moreover, जो आ भी रहे थे वो आ नहीं रहे थे, मतलब पता चल रहा था कि इधर कुछ आ रहा है, then नहीं था. So yeah, somewhere I knew कि this product helped me in that. This is the serum I'm currently using. This again from Dr. Seth. This is Cica and Ceramide serum, and this is absolutely beautiful. If you are an oily skin type, this will act as your moisturizer. I think after 2 weeks of usage, I could clearly see results. It helped in repairing my skin, like all the acne marks and all the stuff. And I have been using this since quite a long, like more than 2 months. ये तो पता नहीं मैं कितने बॉटल मैंने ख़त्म कर चुके हैं अभी तक. This is Plum Chlorestol oil. If you are a oily skin type, if you have dry skin, even if you have combination skin, if you have any kind of skin and you need a glow but you're lacking that, this product helps you with that. 2 drops and you're sorted. In the evening, in the morning, you can apply it in multiple way. You can mix it with your foundation, a matte foundation, to make it more glowy, and it will not hinder with your base. You can apply it beneath your foundation to make it appear more luminous and dewy, and this won't hamper with your foundation or base thing. This is magic in a bottle. And lastly, we have come to an end. This is the last product, Plum Spot Correcting Gel, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is Clear Spot Light Gel. Good stuff. I get cystic acne during that time of the month, like what is new. And this helps of getting rid of that cystic acne within 2 days or 3 days, which is a big deal. Trust me, if you have cystic acne, you would understand my pain that nothing helps in getting rid of that. This stuff works on that. Try this. This helps in getting rid of the acne as well as acne scars. You can apply it over your scars also to lighten them faster. Yeah, with that I think we are done for the day. I have shared all my favorite products with you, and soon I will be coming out with my disappointment video, and I will be roasting few products. So if you want to see the disappointment video and if you like my favorites video, then do not forget to give this video a big like. That helps me a lot, and subscribe to my channel, and that also helps me a lot, and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. And so I see you in the next video. Mwah.